start. 1. Chief Engineer, Atomic Energy Engineering Services Group, Kalpakkam, invites sealed tenders for providing wooden dual desks for additional classrooms in the school in their township at Kalpakkam. Time allowed for completion of work is 3 months. The estimated cost of the work is rupees 27 lakhs. Earnest money deposit required is rupees 50,000. The cost of tender documents is rupees 500. They will be available for sale from 7th to 20th October 2017. Tenders will be received up to 3 p.m. on 24th October 2017 and they will be opened at 3 p.m. on 28th October 2017 in the presence of the tenderers or their authorized representatives. The chief engineer reserves the right to accept or reject any or all tenders without assigning reasons therefor. Draft tender notice to the Kanchipuram Tiruvallur District Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited, Ayanapuram, Chennai, invites applications for the post of manager. The pay band for the post is rupees 9,300 to rupees 34,800 with a grade pay of rupees 5,000. Dearness allowance and other allowances also at state government rates will be paid. The candidate must possess a degree in veterinary science from a recognized university. He must have registered himself with the Veterinary Council. No travelling allowance or any other allowance will be paid for any interview that may be held. Applications from eligible candidates must reach the union within 15 days of this advertisement. Draft advertisement. 3. An accident occurred at Kulithalai on Saturday in which 7 persons were killed and 3 others injured. The accident occurred when the sports utility vehicle in which they were travelling collided with a lorry which was going to Trichy from Karur. Before ramming the lorry, the sports utility vehicle knocked down a two-wheeler in which 1 person was injured. On information, police personnel and an ambulance rushed to the spot and took the injured to the government hospital at Kulithalai. There were 11 passengers in the sports utility vehicle. 5 of them were killed on the spot and 2 others died at the government hospital at Kulithalai. 3 persons who were severely injured were referred to the Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Government Hospital in Trichy. The police are investigating. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.